Jeez, that hurts just. Alright guys, I've got the Fox Body Slash. I'm running a 6,000 milliamp 55C discharge rate pack. And this is the one running the Surpass Hobby motor. And I put the stock wheels back on. These aren't actually the stock wheels that came with it, but these are the stock style wheels. Because I'm waiting to see if this is going to strip out another hex before I put the Badlands on. And I knew I was coming out today to a parking lot, so I didn't really want to run my brand new Badlands on the parking lot and wear them down. So that's why and I did tape up this body. I don't know if I ever showed that, but I'm going to go ahead, get the lid on, and we're going to start jumping this. Good old Slash 4x4. Whoa! Pass by. This parking lot has a lot of just crap on it. These tires are not hooking up very well. Slipper clutch might be slipping a smidge as well. Not 100% sure though, but bring it back. There we go. I'd say let's go to do some jumping, guys. Hey, I landed it. Slash overall, guys, just a good machine. Ooh, Slash can take a beating. That's the one good thing about the Slash. 4x4 anyway. Okay, bringing it. Ooh, I felt that. I literally sent that as, wow, that was, is it okay? That landed pretty freaking hard. We're missing both of our, I need to borrow some clips from one of my other RCs now. Wow, if it survived that, that's pretty impressive, guys. You can't deny that was impressive. Launch. All right, guys, I just borrowed some clips off of my Ultimate to put on the back because lost the 2 clips off the back of the 4x4. You can see these stock tires. They're not the grippiest tires. I mean, they're these licensed BFG ones. The compound, you can tell, just isn't nearly as good. These rear ones are pretty worn down. They're just not gripping very well. Traxxas 4x4 literally might be the most durable RC there is for a brushless machine. I'm going to attempt to hit it with a lot of speed. Alright, I just lost those next 2 set of clips. So what's happening is they're pulling right through. They're literally pulling right through. They've gone right through the whole portion. You can't really tell, but they're going even through this port right there. They've cracked through right there. So they're pulling through, and then for some reason then they're flying off. I'm not gonna have much hope being able to jump this thing if it's gonna do that. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab the 2-wheel drive body, because that one's also taped up, and throw it on here, and maybe we can bash this thing a little bit longer. All right, guys, so I went, grabbed the 2-wheel drive body, put it on the 4-wheel drive. It doesn't look too bad. Looks better with the Badland tires, but now I'm gonna try hitting the ramp again. Ready? Let's hit this. He's a ripper, guys. Hey, I landed that nice. Oh, I am fortunate I didn't even hit the gas. It totally flipped a front flip. Hey, I nearly landed that one again. It's kind of fun to just roast it up with this thing and just kind of slide and lose control. The stock tires are good for something. They're good for drifting. Go ahead, hit the like, guys. Oh, I thought I was gonna land it right side up. That would have been kind of cool. If you guys are liking this content, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And also subscribe to the channel. Doing Ken Block type stuff. Doing kind of like a Ken Block gymkhana type moves. Can't deny this is a lot of fun. See, and this just goes to show you guys with the high center of gravity 4-wheel drive one, I'm not flipping it by doing maneuvers like that. That's why a 4-wheel drive is just more enjoyable than the 2-wheel drive, because the 2-wheel drive you got to be very careful when you're turning, because it will flip. There it did finally flip, and it died. Might have turned itself off again. Anybody who doesn't like the Traxxas Slash 4x4 either hasn't had one, or I don't know what type of bad experience they've had with it, because it's literally the most reliable machine I have. And we're not talking about electronics or anything, we're just talking about the way that's set up. Like, nothing breaks on it. Like, I don't think anything's broken on it today, guys, which is pretty freaking surprising. Let's see if it just turned off again. Yeah, it just appears to just be turning off. All right, guys, we're gonna hit the ramp. May as well. I'm gonna try to come out with some speed. Well, not too much speed. Jeez, that hurts just. I lost one. And this one wants to pull through. This thing's taking a beating, guys. This thing really is taking a beating. I might come at it like full speed. Like full speed, full speed. Full speed. Whoa. Hey, I landed it. That was just lucky. I mean, It's just such a good RC, guys. It's such a good RC. Whoa! It's such a ripper, guys. Oh, it died again. I think we're done, guys. Can't believe that stood up to that. I mean, I was jumping it. I landed so bad a few times. And this thing's still in one piece. The bulkheads, nothing looks cracked in the bulkheads or anything. So I'm pretty amazed, guys. So if you guys are interested in a brushless machine that's really freaking awesome and reliable, Traxxas Slash 4x4. And not really even the ultimate one, just the Slash 4x4 one. Just this one. Doesn't have to be the ultimate. I did switch out some parts for the ultimate type stuff, but it's pretty darn good stock aside from rear hub carriers break if you land bad. But I'll see you guys in another video. Later.